Hi, to turn on and off iMessage on iPhone 16, firstly you need to open Settings and here find this last tab Apps. Now from the list we need to select Messages. I'm gonna use the search bar to manually enter messages and here it is. Now we just need to scroll a bit down till we can see this section iMessage. So if you want to disable it, tap on the switcher and it will become white. To enable, tap it and it will become green. Also you can go in Send and Receive and here choose how you can receive iMessages and how to start new conversations. Also you can go in iMessage Apps and select Included with an app. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.